Hi again. The next few videos coming up are all about classic children's characters. You know, a witch, mermaid, unicorn. And what I'll do as usual, I'll sketch in the actual basic shape. Now have a look very carefully because the lines are a wee bit faint on the pencil lines, but then what I do is I ink in and show how to finish off the figure itself. Okay, so remember, if you want to know what's coming up next, make sure you subscribe, hit that button, okay? But in the meantime, all the best and happy drawing! A lovely character from children's stories is the gnome. You know, he's a fun, happy character, you know, often seen in gardens. Right, okay, I'll start off with making a big oval shape for the head. Part of this is going to be for the beard as well. Great big long oval shape, like that, okay? And then the body, quite short and broad, quite chunky. He's a fat little fellow. There's his belt in the middle down to the waist, okay? And then his kind of hip area is about in here, like that. Little short legs coming down with big shoes or boots, right? Come down to the end, putting this in very roughly, okay? One arm would come out quite short, right? With a big hand, maybe holding a stick of some sort coming in there like that, okay? And his other hand perhaps on his hip. There we are. Okay, now let's put the character in now. So, cheery chap, you know, happy look. So big eyes, nice big eyes, like that. Nice big open eyes, one there, and then perhaps we'll get him looking to the side. And remember from past tutorials, if you want to make the eyes look kind of realistic, the light shining on them, leave a light bit, right? As when you shade it in, leave a bit of light like that. Okay. Okay. So you get the almost as if the light's reflecting off the shiny part of the eye, like that. Okay. So put his nose in now. That comes in, let's see, yeah, about here probably. There we are. Okay, and maybe a couple of fuzzy eyebrows, you know, to match his fuzzy beard. Like that, okay, and a nice big smile. Like that, okay. A couple of wrinkles inside of his eyes there. Okay. Right, now his hat. Traditional hat coming down like that. On the other side, pointed ears. One there, okay. And the other one coming in there, like that. Alright. And the top of the hat be folded over maybe at the front. Something like that. And then continue up and go across like that and hang down there. There we are. Okay, and his beard we could put in coming down like that, following that guideline that I drew in. Okay, so there's a nice smiley face. Okay. Right, now put in the rest of his figure. This arm would come out something like that, okay, down to his wrist. Maybe got a couple of buttons for detail on his sleeve there, and this one coming down. And see, come back in with his hand on his hip there, right, and the front of his coat coming down with a belt, nice big curve as it comes up like that, with a big buckle on it, okay, there like that, coming around, and then put the end of the belt there and put some holes on it if you like, right, and the end of the belt coming in there, and then his bottom of the jacket kind of stretching out from there, coming right down. There's a, oops, at the bottom again we can put some nice big buttons on it if you like. Okay, a bit of detail. And his legs, I think perhaps he have baggy trousers. There's a short baggy trouser there, one coming in there, another one coming in there, with his wee legs appearing. And then his big boots or shoes accentuate the size of these. As they come down like that. Okay. And big laces coming over. Like that, kind of childlike in a way. Okay. And his other leg coming in there. The other boot or shoe like that. Okay. And then nice thick sole with the laces coming over. There, and you can put stripes on his socks. And you can shade him in if you like. That black there. Okay. And there. Like that. And his hand here, this thumb come over the top of the stick, and you see his fingers appearing kind of like that. And the stick would appear in his fist coming down perhaps. Something like that. Keep it nice and knobbly, maybe broken at the top. Okay, there we have a rather happy gnome. Okay, great. So, I hope you can join me for the other videos in the series, which are going to be about great kids characters. Okay, but in the meantime, all the best and happy drawing.